here is a math concept. We are learning a new strategy called expanded method. So to set up the expanded method, we need to separate the tens place value from the ones place value. So in subtraction, we set it up like this. We write the number, first number, second number, and we are subtracting it. But then we need to expand these two numbers out. So 34 is expanded into 30 plus 4. So that's our tens place value and our ones place value expanded and separated out. For this number, our tens place value is 10 and our ones place value is worth 2. So now I have the equation set up. So now I actually get to subtract. So here, and it can be a little confusing because there's plus signs here, but the kids need to read it horizontally. So 34 equals 30 plus 4, and 12 equals 10 plus 2. And then they subtract down, which is what this sign over here tells them to do. So they're going to subtract the ones place first, which is going to be 2. Drop down this plus sign. And then 10 minus 30 equals 20. Drop down our equal sign. And then they get to add up the tens place value and the ones place value, which is going to equal 22. So this is how they do the expanded method without ungrouping for subtraction. And then I always have them draw a proof drawing because it just solidifies that thinking a little bit more. So we start with our total, which is 34. Oh, start with my math mountain too. So my math mountain, I have 34 at the top, 12 is an addend, unknown is my other addend. So from here, I take my total and I draw it out. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. And then I am subtracting 12. So I'm going to subtract 12. And when I'm subtracting, I put a line through it because when we ungroup, when we get to that, we put an X through it. So those mean two different things. So it's important that kids are putting a subtraction sign through the numbers. So I have 10, 11, 12. And now I count up how much I have left. So 10, 20, 21, 22. And that just proved that both of my answers match. So that is how they're going to be able to do the expanded method with a proof drawing.